everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card shared video. So maybe a week ago, I watched a video on Jennifer McGuire's channel. She had a guest designer, Clarissa Wiley, and she used color block technique to make several cards. And I thought, I have all this paper from a recent decorations that I created, all these scraps left for different colors. So I thought I'd create some color block cards. Not quite the way she did. She did some stamping. I didn't do any stamping. But let me share with you what I used. So I used several of my embossing folders. So this one is just an embossing folder that didn't even have a name. It's just polka dots, and I love it. This is from Spellbinders, and this is one of their 3D. No, this is just a regular embossing folder. It's like water dots or water drops. Super cute. And this Spellbinders embossing folder, I don't know if you can see these. And this has a floral print. This is the new embossing folder, newer one from Spellbinders. It was February's Club Kit of the Month, and it's one with these cute little bows on it. And you'll see more of it in the design I make. And then this final embossing folder is from the Club Kit of the Month. I think this is August. So use those. And then I also used some sentiments from Ceci's LLC. She provides these sentiments that are free of charge. You can just download them. And she wants you to create cards with them. Super easy. So you can see I have a whole container here of just her sentiments that I've cut out and kind of just ready to go. And that's what I chose. I chose sentiments just from the inside of this container here. So let me show you the cards that I made. I made several cards. And like I said, I had a lot of cardstock scraps. Still have a lot. Oh, and let me show you one more thing. From a Spellbinders, I used this die set, the Cutting Dies 5x7 Matte Basic B Set Collection. And I used this die right here to cut out my color blocks. So simple, super simple. So let me share with you the cards. I also used some enamel dots, and I have those to share with you on the ones where I use it. So here's the first card. And I thought this was super simple. This is the one with the circles and just, like I said, card stock that I used in making a bunch of baby critters. And this is I think this is just some, I can't think where I got this paper. I can't remember, but then this is the sentiment from Ceci's LLC. And you check her channel out. She is super generous with what she provides us each week free. I think it's once a week. I may be wrong about that. And then here are the enamel dots I used on the next card. This is from Gina Marie Designs, and these are the Lighthouse Matte. I don't know if she still has them, but I just wanted to share those with you. And then here is the card that I made. And like I said, this is a card that just kind of centers in on paper more than anything else. And I layered all the cards with white paper that I get from Joann, Basil paper. So that's another one. And then on this one, I used some Stamp Market enamel dots that I purchased recently. Actually received them last week. They had a sale, and these are super inexpensive, and I love the colors. I got like 14 sets. I won't need any enamel dots forever. And here's the card. I think this is super pretty. What do you guys think? And then the next one, I used these Gina Marie dots. And these are raspberry clear with color. Super pretty enamel dots. And here's the card for that one. And I didn't cut this out correctly like I normally like, but I went ahead and used it. I didn't have my edging quite the right dimension, but I think it turned out good. Let me know what you think below. And then from Gina Marie, I use these Purple Trio colors. Enamel dots. And here's the cards for that one. That's super, super colorful. What do you think? It says another year older. Excuse me, I got a tickle tonight. And then from Spellbinders, I use this gold mix. It has some kind of like clear, crystally gold mix, and then it has like this matte. They're not really matte. They're just more saturated and solid than these clear ones. And then here's the card for that one. And on this one, I used some glitter paper from my cardstock. Most likely it's glitter paper from Joanne. I mean from Cricut. So let me share all the cards with you again. Let you know. I mean, let me know what you think is your favorite. I really like that one. I'm kind of leaning that that's my favorite. But then I like that one too. And I also like that one. So thanks for watching. And like I said, I just wanted to show you some easy, simple cards that you can make with just scraps from your your stash. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.